Whenever we say bear down on this show, that means we need to bring Richard Jefferson into the conversation. I know he has a question for you.
Bear down, brother. For everybody that doesn't know that's University of Arizona. Little love, my brother right here. My question to you is this. A lot of people have seen you blow up this year and seen the growth and the season that you're having. Can you talk a little bit about what your time in Cleveland and then your national team? Because I watched last year and then I watched you with your national team, and then to see what you're doing this year is not as much of a surprise. Can you just tell us a little bit about that transition from both and how that's contributed to your success now here in Utah?
Yeah, I think my role changed in Cleveland a little bit. We ran with the three big man lineup, and I was able to play the three a little bit. Of course, role was a little different, but just accepting that challenge and trying to get better at playing on the perimeter even more, guarding faster guys. And I think that really helped me just learn new things about myself and about my game. And just then summer with the national team, I think it was just easy to transfer and be the guy on that team and just build the confidence and have a good summer at Eurobasket, and then just try to bring that confidence and that style of play over here as well.
And now we're getting to see the fruits of that labor. So before we let you go, Lauri, I just want to peel back the curtain for everyone watching at home. We have production meetings every single morning for NBA Today. And I push, along with Chiney, to cover the Jazz. But there is only one person who has a voice louder than myself, has a voice louder than Chiney, and it is our resident Jazz fan, producer Greg Condis. And he was like, wait, Lauri's coming on? Can I ask him a question? And so we brought him all the way up from the control room to do so.
He's not nervous.
Lauri, first of all, thanks for the performance so we could have a whole Jazz segment. Been waiting a long time for this. The poster that I want to show here, your finisher poster, first of all, awesome work. Reminds me of a certain poster. Could you tell us the inspiration behind this poster?
Yeah, we were doing I think it was a 30-year anniversary with All-Star Weekend, so they wanted to bring back the old poster style. So it was pretty cool to be a part of it, and it was a really cool photo shoot to be standing in the middle of the ice, and so it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Oh, so it was a whole photo shoot situation. Do we like the nickname, the finisher? I'm kind of feeling it.
Oh, yeah. I like it.
There you go. Lauri Markkanen, thank you so much for joining us here on NBA Today. We look forward to continuing to watch you and the Jazz for the rest of this season.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.